Want your custom PC build to stand out with a clean, professional look? Choosing the right cables can make all the difference. These triple-layer mesh paracord individually sleeved cables come in 7 vibrant colors and patterns, giving you the freedom to match your build style perfectly. Not only do they look great, but their flexible design also makes cable routing effortless, so your setup stays neat and organized without the hassle. I wasn't a professional builder, but swapping to these cables instantly upgraded the appearance of my case. They're flexible and durable, which helped me clear up space inside the chassis. What really impressed me was how easy the installation was. No heat shrink connectors to fuss with, just plug and play. Plus, the included modular interlocking cable combs snap on quickly, even after your build is complete, giving your rig a polished, high-end finish in seconds. Beyond aesthetics, these cables deliver reliable performance. Inline capacitors on the ATX 24-pin, EPS12V, and PCIe cables ensure clean voltage delivery and stable power to your components. That means no unexpected shutdowns or power hiccups, just smooth operation. For those who want the best without compromises, these cables are a solid investment. If you're looking to upgrade your PC build with cables that combine style, durability, and dependable power delivery, these sleeved cables are worth a look. They've earned top reviews for making builds look cleaner and more professional, all while being easy to install, even for first-timers. And if you keep an eye on Amazon warehouse deals, you might snag a like-new set for less, just like I did. Ready to give your custom PC the clean, stylish upgrade it deserves? Try these flexible, mesh-sleeved cables when you're ready. They're the simple step that can transform your build from ordinary to impressive, both inside and out.